page wherein you can plan the entire booking for your team. So you can select this heading, end date, attendees, and the total budget. And you can just click on analyze and find the packages. So the agents are working on the back end, and it found out so many results for us. And you can select the focus, like let's say my primary focus is cost. So based on the cost, it will filter out, it will sort the listings. So I can have like I can it finds me best flights, hotels, meeting rooms, catering services. This is per unit cost. You can just add or subtract. Click on confirm. You can enter your card details and expiry card detail, like currently it is 29, and the CSV number. You can save this for the future reference, or you can, and all you have to do is just click on this. You can download the receipt, you can go to dashboard, you can see the bookings, and yeah, it's done.